Hey guys, how are you? Just walking the dog. It's nice outside today. I think it's like +3. Feels nice. Dog's taking a poo-poo. Down there, look. You hear that? Sounds of nature. Beautiful. Look, listen. Oh. So I don't know. I've been thinking about making daily vlogs. I just don't think they'd be entertaining enough. So I kind of want to see if I do it, I don't know, 3 times a week, or try it for a month maybe to do daily vlogs, or see what you guys think. See if you guys can leave me a comment. And, you know, I don't know. Tell me, guide me in the right path. I just don't think enough happens in a day for me to put it up on a daily vlog, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll work something out. Let's keep walking. So now when I get home, basically I gotta clean and talk to you guys a bit some more. Chelsea goes to school at 12. Haley didn't go to school today. She didn't feel good, so she's staying home with me. And nothing. Cook, clean, whole process. Everything's done again. Every day. The daily rituals of life. Dishes, beds, sweep, walk the dog. I like how you made your hair today. Let me see your hair, the top of your hair. Look at that. Ooh, you even creased it out. You're getting good. You're getting pretty good. Let me see the back. Turn around. Oh, you have the You look great. Hey everybody, back here just on the computer. Actually I wanted to show you guys, I was working on an intro yesterday, kind of like a Matrix, but more to a Robtrix kind of theme. And just wait up to open here. See, I kind of cut and copied different bunch of them down here and try to make them play, and they kind of play like the Matrix codex. Watch this. Let me see if I can zoom in. See that effect there, that moving effect? Looks nice. All I would do is just put my text here. I kind of want to make it like drop down, or I don't know, come from behind or something. Just make it interesting. Once I open it back up, right, it doesn't move. So once I open it here, it doesn't move. Alright, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. So if you watch my video and you're like, oh my god, he's saving it under the wrong format or whatever, or maybe it has to be like a HTML format, I don't know. I'm trying something. I'll play it again. There goes Chelsea up the bus. Second one up the bus, not bad. Well, she's gonna get mad because we're gonna go walk the dog. want to go walk Tyson? We have to. Oh, I told you. Where do you want to go?
To the bridge.
I don't want to go. Okay, but we go to the bridge and we come back. Oh, that's so nice of you to carry your sister's backpack. It's so nice. Look at the duckies. You gotta love nature, man. My kids are getting away from me. Gotta catch up. Their favorite part of this walk is this bridge. Show you guys. Who's doing all that singing? So here we are, famous bridge. So what are you guys gonna do on the bridge? Is there anybody on YouTube you guys want to say hi to? Anybody at all? No? Well, alright.
Look what I did! Somebody dropped their shirt.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm looking up.
And if you fall in, you know how to swim?
No. But again with a feather!
Oh, look, they're gonna go. Woo! They left, we're leaving too.
Mommy duck.
Let's go, guys. Say bye, mommy duck.
Bye, mommy duck.
Let's go. You guys, we're too nice.
Bye, wait, mommy duck. What does the possum look like he's breathing?
Oh, it's a little possum. No, he's not breathing, my baby. He's dead. You know?
There's a fly on it.
Yeah.
Two.
That's why you gotta hate flies. They'll plant their babies on there, and then when their babies are born, they eat the possum. Yeah, got a little larva. Oh, look, it's a robin. Say hello, Mr. Robin.
Hello, Mr. Robin.
Hello, Mr. Robin.
I can't see it anyway.
He's right there, he's right there. Wait, let me see if I can get him. I don't think you can take these walks anymore. Hey, what do you say, Tyson? Can you take them?
Looking at
Nothing. I'm tripping them out. Hey everybody, Robtrix here. Just saying goodnight. I'm gonna edit the footage I shot today. And just wanted to say goodnight. See you guys soon.